Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your networking skills with Meetup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Meetup app or website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your existing account. Click on the search bar and type in your area of interest. Press enter to see results related to your interests. Browse through the list of groups and events available. Select a group that aligns with your networking goal. Read the group's description to understand its focus and activities. Check the upcoming events listed in the group. Look for events that interest you and fit your schedule. RSVP to the event you want to attend. Prepare for the event by researching the attendees or speakers. Review any guidelines or tips provided by the group. Arrive at the event on time to make a good impression. Engage in conversations with other attendees. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue. Exchange contact information with new connections. Follow up with new contacts after the event. Join discussions in the group's online forum, if available. Attend events regularly to build relationships over time. Continue to seek out groups that match your evolving interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.